Hello there, my name is Habibullah Khan and today we will learn some new GRE words. So actually I am also student and I am going to give my GRE exam after some months. So from now onwards I will discuss GRE words that are important for the verbal section and each day I will discuss about 50 to 60 words so that I can prepare these words and you can also know the important words and prepare them too. So now let's start. Okay, so first word is abound. It means to exist in large numbers, and the example of in sentence is opportunities abound for skilled developers. Adulterate, meaning to make something worse by adding something of low quality. Sentence: the chef refused to adulterate the ingredients. Amorphous, meaning having no definite shape or form. Example: her plans for the future remained amorphous, means she doesn't have any definite plan. Advocate, to support or argue for something. Example: he advocates for better internet privacy laws. Next word: austere. Austere, meaning simple, strict, and without luxury. Example: the monk lived an austere life in mountains. Austere. Aggrandize, meaning to increase power or importance of something. The king tried to aggrandize his empire. Next word: belie, meaning to show something to be false or wrong. Example: his calm face belied the panic inside. Alacrity, 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 meaning eager and cheerful readiness. Example: she accepted the invitation with alacrity, like she accepted with cheerful readiness. Capricious, capricious, meaning changing often and quickly. He was known for his capricious decisions. Capricious. It's capricious, so he was known for his capricious decisions. Next word: ambivalent, which means having mixed feelings. She felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. Next word: cerebral, meaning intellectual rather than emotional. Example: the movie was too cerebral for some viewers. Next word: ameliorate. Ameliorate, meaning to make something better. And the example is the new policy helped ameliorate living conditions. Next word: congenial. Congenial, meaning pleasant and friendly. They found the host to be very congenial. Amenable, amenable, open and responsive to suggestions. Example: he is amenable to changing the schedule. Anachronistic, 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 meaning out of its time period. And the example is the use of typewriters seemed anachronistic. Next word: cursory, meaning quick and not detailed. Example: he gave the document only a cursory glance. Audacious, meaning bold and fearless. And example is her audacious plan shocked everyone. Next word, daunting, meaning intimidating or challenging. Example, starting a business can be daunting. Next word, avaricious. Avaricious. That means extremely greedy. An example is the avaricious landlord kept raising the rent. Defy. That means to treat like a god. Some fans defy celebrities. Next word, banal. Banal, which means boring and unoriginal. His speech was filled with banal glitches. Didactic. Didactic, meaning intended to teach. The book was too didactic for young readers. Next word, benign, harmless and gentle. The tumor turned out to be benign, which means the tumor was very less or harmless. Next word is disseminate. Disseminate, meaning to spread widely. The organization works to disseminate information. Brazen. Brazen, meaning bold and shameless. He made a brazen attempt to lie. Next word, feasible. Feasible, meaning possible and practical. Example, it's feasible to finish the project in a week. Calumny. Calumny, meaning a false statement to damage someone's reputation. The article was full of calumny. Flout, to ignore rules or laws. Example, some people flout safety regulations. Candid, meaning honest and straightforward. Example, she gave a candid review of the product. Next word, homogeneous. Homogeneous, meaning all of same kind or uniform. Example, the population was not homogeneous. Next word, castigate. Castigate, meaning to criticize harshly. To, to criticize harshly. Example, the coach castigated the team for poor performance. Humdrum. Humdrum, meaning boring and ordinary. Example, he was tired of his humdrum routine. He was tired of his humdrum routine. Next word, caustic, meaning sarcastic in a bitter way. Her caustic comments hurt his feelings. Insipid, meaning dull and uninteresting. Example, the soup was bland and insipid. Construe. Construe. Construe, meaning to interpret something in a specific way. His silence was construed as agreement. His silence was construed as agreement. Loquacious. Loquacious, meaning very talkative. Example, she is known for being loquacious. Contrite, meaning feeling regretful. Feeling regretful. Example, He was genuinely contrite after the mistake. Misanthropic, misanthropic, meaning disliking humankind. Example: the character was a misanthropic, reckless. Convoluted, meaning complex and hard to follow. Example: the explanation was too convoluted. Misnomer, meaning an incorrect or inappropriate name. Example: dry wine is a misnomer for beginners. Covet, meaning to strongly desire something. He covets his neighbor's new car. Negligent, meaning careless or failing to take proper care. Example: the accident was due to a negligent driver. Craven, meaning cowardly. Cowardly. He made a craven decision to back out. Obsequious. Obsequious, meaning overly submissive or eager to please. Example: the assistant was annoyingly obsequious. Decorum, meaning proper behavior and manners. Example: she conducted herself with decorum. She conducted herself with decorum. Placate, placate, meaning to calm or soothe. Example: he tried to placate the angry customer. Next word: deft, deft, meaning skillful or quick. She made a deft move with scissors. Next word: proclivity, proclivity, meaning a natural tendency. Example: he has a proclivity for coding. Next word: demer, demer, meaning to object or protest. Example: she demurred politely to the suggestion. Next word: puerile, meaning childishly silly. Example: his puerile jokes were annoying. Derivative, meaning not original. Example: the movie felt derivative of others. Quixotic, meaning unrealistic and impractical. Example: his quixotic, his quixotic ideas rarely worked. His quixotic ideas rarely worked. Word: desiccate, desiccate, meaning to dry out completely. Example: the hot sun desiccated the soil. Spendthrift, meaning a person who spends money carelessly. Example: he is a notorious spendthrift. Diatribe, diatribe, meaning a bitter verbal attack. Example: the article was a diatribe against the government. Taciturn, taciturn, meaning quiet and reserved. He remained taciturn during the meeting. Incredulous, Incredulous, meaning unwilling to believe something. Example, she gave him an incredulous look. She gave him an incredulous look. Wary, meaning cautious or watchful. Example, be wary of suspicious email. Be wary of suspicious emails. Ingenious, ingenious, meaning innocent and naive. Example, her ingenious nature made her likable. That's the last word, and we are done with today's lecture. See you soon, guys, tomorrow.